अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, आई होप एवरीवन इज़ ओके एंड फाइन। आज की कुछ खास बात है रिगार्डिंग बच्चा पार्टी हैविंग देयर एग्जाम्स क्लोजली देयर, लाइक आई थिंक बाय एंड ऑफ दिस वीक एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम विल बी हैविंग इट नेक्स्ट वीक most probably. So this exam fear factor is around the corner, and I'll just wish best of luck to all the kids, and I'll wish best of luck to all the teachers who have done really worked hard for these kids. And they must be now, it's like basically the exam is not for for kids, it's exactly of teachers as well, because they fear the grades, because what they have done, the score will reflect that. So best of luck everyone, do your best, and it's just your learning, another step in your learning. It's not the end. Okay, don't get depressed and don't get too stressed out.